What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Trust Wallet to Binance. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to get the address that you want to send to your Binance account. So in this case, you want to go ahead and click on the deposit button you see at the top right here and choose deposit crypto. Now you want to go and choose the coin that you maybe want to receive. So for example, let's go and choose BTC. Now you want to go and choose your network, which in this case, I'm going to use BTC. Now the network is something very important, so whenever you're making a transaction, the network should match. Now if the network doesn't match when you do the transaction, this will result in you losing your funds. So again, make sure your network matches. But let's go and click on copy here on their address, and let's go ahead and head over into our Trust Wallet. Let's go and open up our Trust Wallet extension here. And in here, you want to go and select the crypto that you want to make your transaction. Now, as you can see, there are cryptos, like you see here, but they also have their own network. Now, some cases, like for example, BTC, might use a different network. So just make sure when you select a crypto here, it's actually using the network that you've generated for your wallet. But in this case, we are correct here. It matches BTC that use Bitcoin here. Let's go and choose that one. Now, from here, click on send. And just provide all the SR details. So that includes the address and the amount that you want to send. So once you provide all the details, just click on the send button here and also review this transaction. Like if it like for example, the network fees, and if it requires additional fees, make sure to review that. Once you agree, just go ahead and click on the send option here, and typically it will take around like a few seconds or a few minutes in order for your crypto to arrive, but typically speaking, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.